Today I'm going to show you how to get repost notifications on X, also known as Twitter, so you can stay updated whenever someone reposts your content. This is a quick settings change, and once you turn it on, you'll start receiving the notifications you want without missing activity on your account. If this video helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Now let's get into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to reveal the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account and notification controls in one place. Once the Settings menu opens, click Notifications. Inside the Notifications area, find and click Preferences. This section lets you customize exactly what kinds of alerts you receive and how they appear. Next, choose Push Notifications. This is where you control the alerts that show up on your phone or connected device. Scroll until you find the Reposts section. Here, you'll see the option for repost notifications. Toggle on from anyone so you can receive repost notifications from all users, not just specific accounts. Once that setting is enabled, X will begin sending you repost alerts based on that preference. And that's it. You've successfully turned on repost notifications in X or Twitter. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.